Guys, we're back with another problem. Today's problem is a Toeplitz matrix. In a Toeplitz matrix is those matrix whose diagonal elements from left to right directions are same. So what you can see today's problem as a Toeplitz matrix. Okay, in Toeplitz matrix, what you can see, the diagonal just ignore, yeah, the diagonal elements are same from left to right. So it's a medium based problem, but it is not so difficult. So if you see, I have one say I comma j. This is specifying the rows and columns 0 1 2 0 1 2. I have elements 4 6 7, okay, 2 4 3. I have elements 5 0 4. If you see in this particular matrix, okay, and if you see this particular matrix, okay, so if you see that the diagonal elements are 4, okay, so diagonality is maintained. So I can write, since diagonal elements are equal, this is a valid matrix, so I will return true. Okay, so it's nothing, it's a very simple problem. What you can see is, first we have to take the rows and columns. So for algorithm, what I can write is red, yeah, I can write, say, a class diagonal. Okay, in this class I can say boolean check function. In the boolean check function I pass a matrix, a 2D matrix. Now in this 2D matrix, what I'm basically going to do is, first I'm going to take the length of the matrix. So for that I'm going to write n equals to mat dot length, and for individual row, so say for example this is a particular row, right? For this I'm going to take mat of 0 dot length. Okay, so both the cases I have done. Now I'm going to iterate for the entire matrix, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Now I'm going to iterate for the j less than m minus 1, j plus plus. Okay, I have done that, m minus 1. Now I'm going to check whether it is the current element, say mat of I and j. If I'm going to pass an if mat of I and j is equals to mat of I plus 1 and j plus 1. This is how you check the next adjacent element. Then I'm going to return true, else return false. Okay, this is the condition. If you see carefully, this is what I have done over here as well. If you see this code, I have put a not equals to symbol. So it's basically the same. If I write not equals to, I will return false, and in the outer loop I will return true. You can also return here true by omitting this not equals to symbol. Okay, so this was today's problem, and this code works. It will pass all the 50 out of 50 test cases. Okay, test cases. So if you have any doubt, you can drop in the comment section. Thank you.